Okay, we are running.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are we today? You look wonderful. All right, I'm good. So I'm going to give you these handouts for today's lesson, and today we'll focus on sentences. All right. So by the end of this unit, you should be able to identify the different types of sentences and identify the two basic parts of sentences and classify the main elements of a sentence. So, who can tell me what a sentence is? Yes?
A sentence is a phrase that contains a subject and a verb.
Okay, that is correct. So let's go to my notes. A sentence is a as it says here, a sentence is a sequence of words which express a complete thought or idea. It can stand on its own and make sense, okay? But it must contain a verb. A sentence always starts with a capital letter. Do you all know that?
Yes.
And ends with a
Full
stop.
Good. I see grade 9 has paid off. So we have different types of sentences. Statement. For example, when I say a statement sentence, it is when I say plants require water and sunlight. Who can tell me why that is a statement? Yes?
Because it contains a full stop.
Well done. All right, and a sentence, another type of sentence are questions. For example, do plants require sunlight? That is a question. You can tell I am asking you a question. And a comment is, for example, this is when you say, take out your book. I'm commanding you to do that. Get outside. It is also a command. Exclamation, for example, you are yelling and you're saying, help! That is exclamation sentence. Alright? So, the basic part of the sentence are the subject and the predicates, right? Who can tell me what a subject is? Do we all know what a subject is? Yes?
Subject is the main thing in a sentence. The main word in the sentence.
Well done, Franz. Yes, it is the main word in the sentence. For example, names of a person, place, or thing, okay? It indicates who or what the action or verb is going. Okay. And then it also, a sentence also has a predicate, okay? A predicate is the rest of the sentence, all right? That tells us what the subject does, okay? It follows the subject. It includes a verb, object, and phrases of the sentence. For example, the bright red barn in a field hence horses and mules, right? Who can tell me which one is the subject right there in that sentence, right here? Yes? E.B. White. E.B. White is the subject. Well done. That is correct. The subject. Now let's go in detail what a subject is. It usually, the subject is the part of sentences. It could be a noun or a pronoun that indicates who or what does the action goes to. Alright, let's look at the types of subjects. Two or more nouns, pronouns, can be subjects. For example, Winnie and her sister will sing in a recital this evening. So you can see the underline, it says Winnie and her sister, and they are underlined, which means they are there. They are there? Compound subjects. Okay, and then we move on to the positions of the subject. It can come before. For example, will she return soon? Shall I pack up? These are the underlined words are the subjects. Okay? Okay, let's move on to the predicate. As we said, the predicate is the rest of the sentence. Alright? So, one is the predicate in this sentence? Felix laughed. I visited Paris last week. France?
Felix.
No, Franz, it is not Felix. Who can try again? Yes?
Laughed.
Laughed. Yes, you are correct. Laugh is the predicate. Who can tell me why she says laugh is the predicate? Yes.
Because it describes what feeling.
Exactly. Clap for her. Okay, so we move on to the object. An object is a noun or pronoun that is affected by the action or verb. So today, we are going to do an exercise in class. Take out your exercise books. I am going to mark the previous exercise, homework. Yes, where is your homework?
My dog ate it up.
First, you are punished for detention. Well done, good, yes, good. Well done, yes. Alright, so today we are going to do an exercise in class. Who can tell, for example, the first example is already done for you. In each of the following sentences, underline the subject in blue and the predicate in red. As I did there, the subject is in blue and the predicate is in red. Okay? Let's move on to the next sentence. Dead man tells no tales. Subject, write down the exercise in your exercise books. Alright, we are done. Exercise has to be marked. Okay. We need to do some corrections now, but with that, we are going to do corrections tomorrow. And here is homework for you. Here is the homework that you are going to do, and you bring it to me tomorrow. I guess now it's break time. I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye, class.
Bye.